Yoga for beginners. Yoga, an ancient practice originating from India, has become a global phenomenon due to its numerous benefits for physical and mental health. For beginners, starting a yoga practice can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it can be a rewarding and transformative journey. This video will drill into the fundamentals of yoga, the benefits, basic poses, tips for beginners, and how to incorporate yoga into your daily routine. What is yoga? Yoga is a holistic discipline that combines physical postures, asanas, breathing techniques, pranayama, meditation, and ethical principles to promote overall well-being. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to unite or join, symbolizing the union of mind, body, and spirit. Benefits of yoga. Yoga offers a wide range of benefits for both physical and mental health. Some of the key benefits include improved flexibility. Regular practice of yoga postures stretches and lengthens muscles, leading to increased flexibility. Strength and balance. Many yoga poses require the use of body weight, which helps build strength and improve balance. Stress reduction. Yoga incorporates relaxation techniques and mindfulness, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. Better posture. Yoga emphasizes alignment and body awareness, which can lead to improved posture. Enhanced breathing. Pranayama techniques enhance lung capacity and promote better breathing patterns. Mental clarity. Meditation and mindfulness practices in yoga can improve focus and mental clarity. Improved circulation. Yoga promotes healthy circulation, which can benefit cardiovascular health. Pain relief. Regular practice can alleviate chronic pain conditions, such as back pain and arthritis. Better sleep. Yoga can help improve sleep quality by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Overall well-being. Yoga fosters a sense of connection and peace, contributing to overall well-being. Getting started with yoga. For beginners, it's essential to start with a basic understanding of yoga principles and practices. Here are some key points to consider. Choose the right style. There are various styles of yoga, each with its own focus and intensity level. Some popular styles for beginners include Hatha Yoga, a gentle introduction to basic yoga postures and breathing techniques. Vinyasa Yoga, a more dynamic style that links breath with movement, creating a flowing sequence of poses. Iyengar Yoga focuses on precise alignment and uses props to help achieve correct posture. Restorative Yoga, a relaxing practice using props to support the body in restful poses, promoting deep relaxation. Yin Yoga targets deep connective tissues with long-held, passive poses, enhancing flexibility and joint health. Find a qualified instructor. Taking a class with a qualified yoga instructor can provide valuable guidance and ensure that you practice safely. Look for instructors with proper certifications and experience in teaching beginners. Start with the basics. Familiarize yourself with basic yoga poses and breathing techniques. Here are some fundamental poses, asanas, to get you started. Mountain pose, Tadasana, a foundational standing pose that promotes balance and alignment. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, a classic pose that stretches the entire body and strengthens the arms and legs. Child's pose, Balasana, a gentle resting pose that stretches the back and promotes relaxation. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, a backbend that strengthens the spine and opens the chest. Warrior One pose, Virabhadrasana 1, a standing pose that builds strength and stability in the legs and core. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana, a seated pose that stretches the hamstrings and lower back. Basic yoga poses for beginners. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Mountain pose is the foundation for all standing poses. It promotes balance, stability, and alignment. How to do it? Stand with your feet together or hip-width apart. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Engage your thighs and lift your kneecaps. Lengthen your spine and lift your chest. Relax your shoulders and let your arms hang by your sides. Take deep breaths and hold the pose for several breaths. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog is a key pose in many yoga sequences. It stretches and strengthens the entire body. How to do it? Start on your hands and knees, with your wrists aligned under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into your palms. Tuck your toes and lift your hips towards the ceiling, straightening your legs. Press your heels towards the floor and keep your head between your arms. Hold the pose for several breaths, then release. Child's pose, Balasana. Child's pose is a restful pose that gently stretches the back, hips, and thighs. How to do it? Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and your knees spread apart. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the floor. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply. Hold the pose for as long as you like, then slowly rise back up. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Cobra pose is a gentle backbend that strengthens the spine and opens the chest. How to do it? Lie face down on the floor with your legs extended and the tops of your feet pressing into the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders, fingers pointing forward. Press into your palms and lift your chest off the floor, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Hold the pose for several breaths, then release. Warrior 1. Virabhadrasana 1. Warrior 1 is a powerful standing pose that builds strength and stability in the legs and core. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Step your right foot forward and bend your right knee, keeping your left leg straight. Raise your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Square your hips towards the front and hold the pose for several breaths. Repeat on the other side. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Seated forward bend is a seated pose that stretches the hamstrings and lower back. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and fold forward from your hips, reaching for your feet or ankles. Hold the pose for several breaths, then release. Tips for beginners. Start slow and listen to your body. It's essential to start slow and be mindful of your body's limitations. Avoid pushing yourself too hard and respect your body's signals. If a pose feels uncomfortable or painful, modify it or skip it altogether. Focus on breath. Breath is a fundamental aspect of yoga. Practice deep, mindful breathing throughout your practice. Focus on synchronizing your breath with your movements to enhance relaxation and concentration. Use props. Yoga props, such as blocks, straps, and bolsters, can provide support and help you achieve correct alignment in poses. Don't hesitate to use props to make poses more accessible and comfortable. Establish a routine. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of yoga. Try to establish a regular practice routine, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Consistent practice will help you progress and deepen your understanding of yoga. Find a comfortable space. Create a comfortable and quiet space for your practice. Choose a location free from distractions, with enough room to move freely. Use a yoga mat to provide cushioning and prevent slipping. Wear comfortable clothing. Wear comfortable, breathable clothing that allows for a full range of motion. Avoid clothing that is too tight or restrictive. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before and after your practice to stay hydrated. Avoid heavy meals right before practicing yoga. Incorporating yoga into daily life. Morning yoga. Starting your day with yoga can set a positive tone and boost your energy levels. Consider incorporating a short yoga routine into your morning routine to wake up your body and mind. Yoga for stress relief. Use yoga as a tool for stress relief and relaxation. Practice calming poses, deep breathing, and meditation whenever you feel stressed or anxious. Desk yoga. If you spend long hours at a desk, incorporate simple yoga stretches and poses into your workday. Desk yoga can help alleviate tension, improve posture, and boost productivity. Evening yoga. End your day with a gentle yoga practice to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Focus on relaxing poses and deep breathing to calm your mind and body. Family yoga. Yoga can be a fun and beneficial activity for the whole family. Practice simple poses and breathing exercises together to promote physical activity and bonding. Common misconceptions about yoga. Yoga is only for flexible people. One of the most common misconceptions is that you need to be flexible to practice yoga. In reality, yoga is for everyone, regardless of flexibility. With regular practice, your flexibility will improve over time. Yoga is a religion. While yoga has spiritual roots, it is not a religion. Yoga is a holistic practice that can be adapted to fit any belief system. It focuses on physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Yoga is only for women. Yoga is beneficial for everyone, regardless of gender. Men can also enjoy the physical and mental benefits of yoga. Many male athletes and fitness enthusiasts incorporate yoga into their routines for improved performance and recovery. You need special equipment. While yoga props can be helpful, they are not necessary to start practicing yoga. A simple yoga mat is all you need to begin. As you progress, you can explore additional props to enhance your practice. Yoga is a versatile and accessible practice that offers numerous benefits for beginners. By starting with the basics, finding the right style, and practicing consistently, you can experience the transformative power of yoga. Remember to listen to your body, focus on your breath, and enjoy the journey. Whether you're seeking physical fitness, mental clarity, or stress relief, yoga can be a valuable addition to your daily life. Embrace the practice with an open mind and heart, and discover the many ways yoga can enhance your well-being. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.